Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tea Time with Tea. We have a few things to talk about. We have Usain Bolt's reaction towards Noah Lyles going on the Jimmy Fallon show and the Kelly Clarkson show, which is saying he is the fastest man alive. We also have Miss Kitty. There was a lady that came on, I think she named Right Mango, that was jumping down Miss Kitty throat. I said she loved drama, and then somebody else came in defense of Miss Kitty. So please stay tuned. I'm trying to grow this channel, so subscribe, like, and share.
You know what I mean? And even now, like I see like Noah Lyles running, I'm like, yo, I wish he was in my era to show this. Just cool.
Yeah,
So
we'll see
it was
that.
different.
They're Jamaicans. The summer boring, don't. On a board. Because me can't understand only can take boost up so. You know what supplicant? I do not get it. Why is all of this excitement? Some meet up on social media since morning and see all of this excitement. Created by Kitty, of course, because she just love drama. She live for drama. Baby born, her life boring again, so she ready for create more problems. So me go up on social media, see this video by Kitty and see everybody cursing Noah Lyles and Janelle Bromfield. So before I make a comment, I go watch the video. I'm still here waiting to hear what is the cause of all the excitement. So let me ask you something. What secret did Noah Lyles reveal? Did Janelle Bromfield need to tell him any of those things that he revealed on this podcast? Who in Jamaica never knows say Shelly and Sharika versus Elaine there is a beef? Stephen Francis, the coach of MVP, last year when Kishane dropped out after the semi-finals, explained that he had an injury issue. So, me not get it. Even if the man and him girlfriend talk certain things, so what? So the hell what? This is track and field. This is not a team sport. This is individual events. Noah Lyles knowing anything about his competitor will not affect how his competitor performs. It's not like football or a contact sport or something where you know if this person move that way, you can psych him that way. Or no. This is track and field. The hurtfulest part of it is most of you know this. But on the board, on the idle. Obviously Kitty don't know nothing about the sport because she talking about when name injured, oblique injured. So she don't even understand the concept of the argument. But she there making as she come back the drama start. But that is what she live for. But is the rest of you when know better? Me have an issue with. Because you know allow her to boost you up over an argument that makes absolutely no sense. It's the Olympic season. It's like if you don't have something to cuss about, somebody to, like you need somebody to vent on. There needs to always be somebody to be upset with to vent on. And this is just not it. Because anybody who frequents Jamaica know everything that Noah Lyles has said. He has said nothing that none of us knew. Sharika always a put up on her Instagram, and even Janelle always a put up her Instagram. Them a do each other here. Is that some sort of a trade secret? He said that Janelle have a good eye. So she said, oh, that one they can run in them and go do well. So what? It's like you just want somebody to upset with. So you don't want to take it out on the athlete. Them. And me, I don't really get business with Noah Lyles. Noah Lyles is an American athlete. He miss competition. Fine, fair enough. But who don't want to hate Pan Janelle? Because she talked to our man, or she carrying months Jamaican. And at no point did he say, you know, Janelle told me this. Him say, I've been amongst Janelle, been around her for 5 years, for over 5 years. And him know what going on. Because him there among her, just like if you're amongst your significant other does not have to spell out anything because you see everything in front of your own with your own eyes. No man, and they need to stop it. Them here stress you not needed right now when we're going into our Olympics. Wanna try though. Me all hear people are talk about Janelle must be put off the team. And then who runs her event? The most I wanna were chatting and running up on the mouth have no investment in track and field. If when Jamaica got to Olympics, and no matter how them do, it does not affect how Kitty lives her life. How much medal Jamaicans get does not impact what happens to Kitty. She going get up and live her life and make mischief day in and day out, whether or not they do well or not. That's the point I'm trying to make. So all of this drama, this manufactured beef is not needed. Because she's the same one we talk about manufactured beef, and she just manufacture one whole heap of beef over virtually nothing. This must be genetically modified beef or something. Because this don't make no sense. And that me say. And me know more about athletics than most on upon this thing. So no go one side with no foolishness. We don't need this right now. The athlete them just go into them performance. Nobody gives a rat's ass what Noah Lyles wants to say. Mount make for chat, it cut slant way. Him need to go up on the track, run him event and show say him can win. That is where we do the talking on the track. As for the rest of it, on go one side, we don't whole heap a loose argument and loose talk. We don't need this right now. It's Olympic time. Go one side. I thank you. Have yourself a great day.
Now, this next lady went live and defended Miss Kitty, so listen to what she had to say.
Someone like just watch a video on Pink Wall where me say Kamala, right, Mango? Address Miss Kitty. Like, come on, girl. Stop a behave like you don't understand the point that the lady is making. So for those of you who don't know what I'm talking about, let me tell you the issue. So apparently, Miss Kitty, you know, was having a talk, and she was saying that she came across an interview with Noah Lyles being interviewed by somebody, because as you guys might know, or some of you don't, Noah Lyles, which is a US athlete who used to be the king of the 100-meter until Kishan and Oblika go on with themselves now, you understand? So he's in an interview and they asked him some particular question, and in response to the question, he commented that, you know, Janelle Broomfield, which is our Jamaican athlete that he's apparently dating, they're both an item, said Janelle apparently disclosed to him that Shelly and Elaine have a long-standing beef, right? Now, me I said to myself, say, when me hear it, you know, before Miss Kitty could have even carry on, I say, what kind of man this? I just a shut and a run him mouth, so like a mouth of Marceliza. You understand, because we did try to accept him and thing, because, all right, our Jamaican girl, I deal with him. So we are say, all right, we're going to adapt him on something. But it give me spirit, because man, for know how to behave, man. You cannot run your damn mouth, so, Noah Lyles. Run your foot and not your mouth. I want Kishan beat you. Anyway, back to you, Miss Right Mango. Yeah, you come on, pan the something. Oh, you talk about Miss Kitty. You behave like say you talk about some little careless gal road. Let me tell you something. You say all I know is slander the lady. Years don't know do it. Leave her alone. You all should be happy that we have someone like that in Jamaica representing us. She's an epitome of discipline, hard work, dedication, success. You understand what I'm saying? I'm so happy for her. I know she have her family. No drug her and say the woman couldn't breed. I know she breed. I must say, I breed again. The woman married and something, and she have her life planned out and she organized. Yes, she have every right to drag on and telling the things them, because when una get personal, the woman are gonna use her mouth and get back personal with you know. But you, right, Mango, you behave like say you never understand say what the lady is defending. The principle that he should not have thrown his girlfriend under the bus. Somebody can't tell us something in a confidence and something like that, and then you go on one public platform where you have an interview and just throw her under the bus. You never have no thought for how that might implicate her profile as a public person. As an international athlete and a national athlete, you never stop to think the repercussions and she have to survive in the athletic community. So that is the point Miss Kitty was behaving. And you got to talk about the lady must not have nothing to do her yard and something. The lady like she careless. The lady look to you like she careless, girl. Look here now, man. I must say Melissa Silvera up your aunt, you. Because you must think we forget.
Guys, I saw this on social media. Apparently, you know, if you don't know, Nicki Minaj is on tour right now, and she's saying she's going to be bringing the Pink Friday tour to Jamaica. Are you guys ready for that? Remember, you know, big star, this should always have a back, so get ready. I also saw this online, guys. YG Marley, he have this big old fat split, bigger than all shrimp finger them. Man, high out, first out. I heard that he did a great performance, him and his mom, Lauren Hill. If you don't know, YG is Bob Marley's grandson. But yeah, they did well. So there was a no-show at Sumfest with Valiant and Jada Kingdom and a few others, and some people were saying that Valiant had a falling out or altercation rather with TJ, and so he left. Then they were saying that Jada Kingdom left. She was there and then she left because of some money issue. But Skata was in an interview and he had this to say about her.
With Jada though, why not Jada? Why Jada didn't appear? I don't want to say for sure because I'm not 100% sure. Yeah. I don't know if she had a discrepancy with the time of her performance or what. However, I am keen to hear from her what her issues were. So she was actually in the venue? She was in the venue, yes. She looked quite relaxed, having a good time. And I heard she stormed out, upset. But I looked in the audience and I saw so many females waiting patiently for her. Yeah. Even just now, a lot of females was leaving saying that they really wanted to see Jada Kingdom, you know. So
Fresh rock.
Yeah, if you're an artist and you love music, I don't think you walk out on your fans like that. Yeah. You know, because we understand the rain came and set us back. We have no control over the weather. So obviously the show is going to run a little late, you know. But I guess a lot of people don't really take stuff like that into consideration. Okay. But big up Jada. And the Valiant story, what's that with Valiant? He didn't show. Some people are... No, Valiant was here. I know he was in the perform. He performed? No, he didn't perform. He didn't perform, right. No. So I don't what's the explanation for that? I do not want to say because there's a lot of stuff that happened that was seriously beyond our control because when you're doing a festival of this magnitude, it has to be controlled. You cannot bring 300 persons or 100 persons and try to dictate how the backstage is supposed to run. And we had issues with separating entourage. And that moved into one and two different scenarios. And I guess it didn't work over well with his team. So his entourage was bigger than you expected? Yes, and it can be big, but we have to make allocations to keep the backstage as professional and separated and comfortable for other artists because it's not one artist booked on the show. So we can't fill the backstage with one artist's entourage. You know, we have to respect other people's space and so forth. So we can, if you bring 100 person, we can't put 100 person there. We have to allocate special designated area for them. So isn't there a number given to, in terms of entourage? Yes. Isn't there a number given to artists, how many people they can bring? Always, but just like any other, most shows in Jamaica, those protocols are broken by artists because they have people that they care about and they want to bring them along to be a part of their success. Okay. And the promoter is the one who reels from these kind of activities because we have to think about the police, the fire department, and we have to think about adhering to the rules and respecting people's space. And when it goes wrong, we get the blame. So while trying to enforce some form of discipline, we come out as the bad guy. So it's because you're enforcing discipline why he didn't appear? I don't know if that's the reason, because even after we enforced the discipline, he was coherent. He was here and chilling and he was cool. But then I heard that he left.
Say what you want about Valiant or Jada, both of them have a big long catalog, and me think they don't have the crowd because they have a whole heap of hot song out there, and it just disappointing to know so them they weren't able to perform for their fans because of issues with people or money. But anyways, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment, and share. See you next time.